Jesus, my old friend, come to talk to you again. Course of vision softly creeping left the seeds while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walk alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, neath the halo of a street lamp. I raised my collar to the cold and damp, when my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that split the night and touched the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more, people talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share, and no one dare disturb the sounds of silence. Fool said I, you do not know, silence like a cancer grows. Take my hand that I might be cured, hear my words that I might teach you. But my words, like silent raindrops, fell and echoed in the wells of silence. And the people came and prayed to the neon god they made, and the signs cried out their warning in the words that they were forming. And the sign said the words of the prophets are written on subway walls and tenement halls, whispered in the sounds